How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Welcome to Glitzossera and let's get right into this video. Search for roblox.com in a preferred browser. Make sure that you are logged in or signed in into your Roblox account. To join someone on Roblox without being friends, it is quite simple. At the top, you will see a search bar. Type in the username of the person that you want to join. Tap on the option in People. Roblox will suggest you a lot of users with similar names. You need to search for your friend or someone that you want to join. Now for the sake of this video, I'll be tapping on this one. Now you will see the Add Friend button, but we won't be tapping on it. Instead, tap on the three dot icon at the top. You will see the Follow button. Tap on Follow. By doing so, you'll be able to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Isn't it simple? That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.